Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, we've finally got the kit turned up, what's going to be going in the DR10. We've got the Tekin RX8 Gen3 ESC, and we've also got the Tekin Hotwire 3.0 programmer. So, let's have a quick look in box, see what we actually, see what these things come with. So, firstly, we've got the speed controller, and working his way around this, you've got your posts for your power in. Looks a bit of a strange design on this one, because you've got post A, B and C for the motor, and then negative and positive in between them. You've also got a little port for the fan, you've got a few debug lights and the mode and select buttons, and then you've got your sensor cable, sensor port. You've also got a tiny little on-off switch, so we've got a fairly good length on the receiver wire, and then it's not too bad for the on-off button, and there is a small hole in it and two on the front so you can mount that. So that's a speed controller. What else do we get in box? So it looks like we get 3 wires, and these are all 12 gauge. So you've got 3 red, white and black wires. Take it they're meant to be motor wires. And then you get the little lead that goes to the programmer. So this can plug into the fan port, and then it'll give you a connection to the programmer, and we get a nice set of stickers. We get little instruction, basically telling you how to connect it to the programmer. So it tells you where to make sure that your black wire is when you plug it into the port. And then we have the Hotwire programmer. So let's have a look what we get in this one. Apparently this will work with both Android and iOS devices, and I believe you can connect it to your PC as well. So this actually comes with the ESC and not with a programmer. This is the fan, and that just slots in under there, plugs into the fan port. You have a USB data cable. And another set of stickers, and then some instructions, and basically that is your programmer. So on the side you've got a micro USB, and it's got a bunch of debug lights on it. The micro USB is what you'd use to connect it to either an on-the-go cable on a mobile device or to your PC. And then you've also got the button so you can bind Bluetooth to it, use it from your mobile device, and this will plug directly into the ESC, so you don't need to use the lead that it comes with. Should make setting up the ESC so much easier and updating the firmware. But it's just a quick look at what you get in the box with it. So thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of video and content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to share to friends and family. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.